In this video, we're going to cover how to use a pencil, just using it in a way that's creating rectilinear shapes. Another video will show you how to create more organic shapes in the future. And we'll be going through how to fill objects with colors. The pencil keyboard shortcut is P. The way that we got to understand how to use a pencil is if you just click one point using your left mouse button, it creates our shape. Now in this particular view, with the fill, it looks like it's an actual closed shape. However, if I flip that over to the outline, we can see that it's actually open. We need to hover over to the point of origin where we started, and I'm going to zoom my interface in. We can see that there is actually a small little circle to the bottom right of our cursor. That means it's going to create a closed path for us. Now when I move my mouse, Illustrator allows me to create a new shape. If you are seeing your mouse, when you drag it around, if you are seeing that there's a line going on here, it means that your path isn't yet closed. If we think about our most basic primary school type drawing that we've done, it might have been a join the dot type thing. You needed to make sure that 24 finished at number 1 and that you close it off to be able to understand what this whole shape was. Just like that, we've got to understand doing the same thing in Illustrator. Let's go ahead and use colors. So we select our shape, and there's two ways of applying color. You can either open the window menu and go to color, and that will bring up your color palette, and we can choose a range of colors here. That's quite easy to do, and then we can alter the colors over there. We can change it for CMYK mode, RGB, easy. Or we can double click on that big large square over here, and that will allow us to do the same thing. Pick colors, click OK.